அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Wireman செகண்ட் இயரில் அப்டேட்டட் சிலபஸில் நிமி ஆப்பில் உள்ள நியூ கொஷின்ஸ் எல்லாம் வரிசையாக பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மாடியூல் 1 கமர்ஷியல் வயரிங். What is the expansion of UPS? Option A uninterrupted power system. Option B uninterrupted power supply. Option C uninterrupted power solution. Option D uninterrupted power section. Answer option B uninterrupted power supply. Which is the characteristics of LAN? Option A consists one computer only. Option B group of two or more computers in the same building. Option C group of computers in different building. Option D group of computers in different area. Answer option B group of two or more computers in the same building. Which color is painted on fire alarm call points? Option A green. Option B yellow. Option C blue. Option D red. Answer option D red. How the capacity of an inverter is expressed? Option A watt hour. Option B ampere. Option C volt ampere. Option D ampere hour. Answer option C volt ampere. What is the expansion of CCTV? Option A closed circuit television. Option B common circuit television. Option C common computer television. Option D closed computer television. Answer option A closed circuit television. Which wire is used to connect inverter and battery? Option A PVC 1.5 square mm copper wire. Option B special auto wire. Option C PVC 1.5 square mm aluminum wire. Option D PVC 2.5 square mm copper wire. Answer option B special auto wire. What is the name of instrument used for testing Cat 5 Cat 6 cables? Option A LAN tester. Option B multimeter. Option C flux meter. Option D lux meter. Answer option A LAN tester. Which is to be considered before the selection of conductor, protective devices and switchgear in commercial wiring? Option A diversity factor. Option B type of wiring. Option C place of wiring. Option D climatic conditions. Answer option A diversity factor. Which is the type of smoke detector? Option A fusion detector. Option B thermal expansion detector. Option C ionization detector. Option D electrical sensing. Answer option C ionization detector. What is the main reason for leakage current flowing in wiring installation? Option A insulation failure. Option B, low earth resistance. Option C, incorrect size of earth wire. Option D, high earth reactance. Answer option A, insulation failure. Which factor depends the cost of inverter depends? Option A, volt ampere of inverter. Option B, voltage of inverter. Option C, type of inverter. Option D, grade of inverter. Answer option A, volt ampere of inverter. What is the minimum busbar clearance between phases in the medium voltage applications? Option A, 25 mm. Option B, 32 mm. Option C, 36 mm. Option D, 40 mm. Answer option B, 32 mm. Which is the unit of insulation resistance? Option A, milliohm. Option B, ohm. Option C, kilo ohm. Option D, mega ohm. Answer option D, mega ohm. What are the two colors used in two pairs of Ethernet RJ45 cable? Option A, blue and orange. Option B, blue and brown. Option C, orange and green. Option D, brown and orange. Answer option C, orange and green. Which of the following devices uses solar square wave inverter? Option A, induction motor. Option B, LED TV. Option C, small heating load. Option D, sensitive electronic equipment. Answer option C, small heating load. Which instrument is used to measure the insulation resistance? Option A, shunt type ohm meter. Option B, series type ohm meter. Option C, megger. Option D, multimeter. Answer option C, megger. What is the use of coaxial cable? Option A, for transmitting electricity. Option B, for power wiring. Option C, for transmitting video signals. Option D, for house wiring. Answer option C, for transmitting video signals. What is the name of the part marked as X? Option A, energy meter. Option B, IC cutout. Option C, main switch. Option D, distribution board. Answer option D, distribution board. Which is the data transmission medium in LAN? Option A, PVC cable. Option B, armored cable. Option C, belted cable. Option D, coaxial cable. Answer option D, coaxial cable. What happens if the inverter is overloaded? Option A, OLR trips inverter. Option B, inverter will get damaged. Option C, no effect, works normally. Option D. Output voltage becomes low. Answer. Option A. OLR trips inverter. How the neutral is provided in an inverter? Option A. It is common for inverter output and AC mains. Option B. Separate neutral wire is provided. Option C. Neutral is provided for output only. Option D. Neutral is provided for AC mains only. Answer. Option A. It is common for inverter output and AC mains. Which rated voltage measure is used to measure the insulation resistance value of 3-phase 415 volt induction motor? Option A. 250 volt. Option B. 500 volt. Option C. 1000 volt. Option D. 2500 volt. Answer. Option C. 1000 volt. Which is represented by the BIS symbol? Option A. Wattmeter. Option B. Single phase energy meter. Option C. 3-phase energy meter. Option D. Power factor meter. Answer. Option C. 3-phase energy meter. What is the cause for the fault if the output voltage of UPS is higher than normal? Option A. Input voltage is very high. Option B. Relay points are jammed. Option C. Defective feedback circuit. Option D. Battery gets short circuited. Answer. Option C. Defective feedback circuit. What is the testing frequency of portable GFCI for checking its working condition? Option A. Check before each use. Option B. Monthly. Option C. Bi-monthly. Option D. Weekly. Answer. Option A. Check before each use. Which type of wire used to connect inverter and battery? Option A. 320 copper wire. Option B. 720 copper wire. Option C. Special auto wire. Option D. 118 copper wire. Answer. Option C. Special auto wire. Which accessory is used to prevent electrocution? Option A. Isolator. Option B. MCB. Option C. Main switch. Option D. GFCI. Answer. Option D. GFCI. What is the full form of LAN? Option A. Load area network. Option B. Local area network. Option C. Local aviation network. Option D. Local active network. Answer. Option B. Local area network. Which is the inter-processor distance of LAN? Option above 1000 km. Option B. 10 km to 1000 km. Option C. 1 km to 10 km. Option D. 0 to 1 km. Answer option D 0 to 1 kilometer. Which device enables display of 2 cameras within one computer? Option A converter, option B splitters, option C twisted pair balloons, option D amplifiers. Answer option B splitters. Why Vaseline or grease is applied on the terminals of battery in installation? Option A to reduce terminal corrosion, option B to avoid sparking, option C to avoid loose connections, option D for easy disconnection. Answer option A to reduce terminal corrosion. உங்களுக்கான question, what is the expansion of UPS? Option A uninterrupted power system, option B uninterrupted power supply, option C uninterrupted power solution, option D uninterrupted power section. கரெக்டான ஆன்சரை கமெண்ட்ல பின் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.